Hello and welcome to my channel Tech and Tutorial. Xiaomi have launched its new phone, that is Redmi 5 and Redmi 5 Plus. So one of my friend asked me that whether he should buy Redmi 4 or 5. So this video is based on the comparison of Redmi 5 and 4. So let's begin. But before moving on, make sure you have subscribed my channel and also press the bell icon so that you never miss my new video. So let's begin. So the first is CPU performance of both the phones. So Redmi 5 has been given 1.8 GHz octa-core processor with Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 chipset, while Redmi 4 has been given 1.4 GHz octa-core processor with Qualcomm Snapdragon 435 chipset. Both the smartphones runs on MIUI 9 based on the Android 7.1.2 Nougat. So here Redmi 5 wins over Redmi 4. Then comes the camera. Quality of both the phones. So Redmi 5 has been given 12 megapixel of rear camera with a LED flash with 1.25 micron pixel size that will click very clear and very nice photo in the low light, where the Redmi 4 has been given 30 megapixel of camera, but it is not as good as Redmi 5. So here Redmi 5 wins over Redmi 4. Then comes the front camera of both the smartphones. So both the smartphones have been given 5 megapixel of front camera, but Redmi 5 has been given the LED flash. So Redmi 5 wins over Redmi 4. Then comes the screen size. So Redmi 5 has been given 5.7 inches of screen with 18:9 aspect ratio, while Redmi 4 has been given 5 inches of screen with 16:9 aspect ratio. So here also Redmi 5 wins over Redmi 4. Then next comes the battery backup of both the smartphones. So Redmi 5 has been given 3300 mAh of battery, while Redmi 4 has been given 4100 mAh of battery. But it will not prove much effect on the battery backup of Redmi 5 because of its new processor. Then comes the price of the smartphone. So Redmi 5 starts with the price of 7,999 to 10,999, while Redmi 4 starts from 6,999 to 10,999. And at last, my opinion for the smartphone is Redmi 5 of 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. Yeah, I like this phone very much. If you are going to buy this smartphone, then let me know in the comment section. And this video ends here. If you like this video, then please like and share this video, and if you are not a subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon beside it so that you never miss my new video. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind and God bless you all.